Today we are making
Mongolian lamb. It's a new recipe and we're gonna be making it right now. Again, today we have Chef Bidanto, who will be going through step-by-step our ingredients and procedure what we're going to make today. Alright, welcome back. We're here at the new set and we're just going to go through the ingredients. Let's have a look. For the marination we need lamb. We need spices, rosemary leaves, black pepper, salt, allspice mix, and mixed herbs. Sauces we need oil, soy sauce, and camera water. For the stir fryer we need ginger garlic paste, onion, and fresh garlic. For the marination we need bicarb soda. And lastly, for the marination again, we need corn flour.
Now cut open your lamb and then put it into a bowl. We're gonna start straight away our marinating process as we are on a clock. Grab your corn flour and put 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Grab your bicarb soda. Grab your carrot water, soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and that's basically it for the marinade. Stir it all up just with your hands, and that's your marinade right there. Alright, next we are going to get some corn flour. We're going to be making the sauce. So 3 tablespoons of corn flour, more soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, carrot water, 2 tablespoons, allspice mix, 1 tablespoon or teaspoon, sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons, some water, about 100 ml of water. That's your sauce. Just mix that up and that's going to be your sauce. It's going to turn into a different color soon. Take some time to all mix together. Now grab your onion and you're going to be finely chopping them into julienne style forms or squares. It's really up to you. Some Mongolian lamb dishes have it in some julienne style. I've seen some in square. It's really how you prefer. 1 to 2 onions. That depends on the size of your onion. So we'll see. Alright, put some oil in your frying pan and you're gonna mix that and wait for it to simmer till you see some lines, and you're gonna put your onions on. Let's stir that up. Gonna put some ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Now that may sizzle, but hopefully it won't. Now put your meat in once it turns a bit golden brown, your onions, and just stir that up. Looking good. Next we're going to add our sauce in, and really we're almost done. You can add some black pepper in the sauce if you'd like, and you're going to cover it and leave that to sizzle for like 15 minutes. Now, depends on how high your flame is. You can add some black pepper, use some salt, or herb mix. It's totally up to you. But this is almost done now, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next.